Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video here. Today I'm checking this bunch of flashlights. These are little mini pocket LED flashlights. It comes with 12 of them. So 6 are just these little ones like this, and then 6 are like hold double batteries. So pretty sweet here. Here's the 2 different sizes you got. So one, I believe, holds 2 AA batteries. Let's see here. Oh, I could be mistaken. I'm sorry. AAA batteries. Got my Amazon Basics here. I used to get like Duracell and things like that, but I switched to Amazon Basics because I did a battery test, and these are just as good, if not better, than the Duracell ones. Where did I put my lid? And they're a lot less expensive than the Duracell ones. All right, so there's the double one. That is bright. Does it have an adjustable? We'll see this here on the thing here. And I think, does it adjust or no? No, it doesn't adjust the beam, but it puts out a lot of light for such a tiny little light there. That's pretty sweet. I mean, that's bright. Let's check out the little one now. So yeah, these are just little AAA batteries here. That one seems just as bright as the other one. Let's try the little one here. There's the little one, and there's the other one. So pretty much similar, actually. These throw out a lot of light, guys. I guess, okay, the other one's a little bit brighter, I guess, as you would expect for double the battery power. But yeah, super handy. Just if you have, probably these will last, I can't see, probably they'll last a long time. They are one little single LED there. But what a great idea for like gifts or something like that, like camping, or if you get power outages in your area, you could put these, you know, in your restroom, in your closets, by your nightstand. They're really small, don't take up a lot of room, and they put out a lot of light. Or if you're just like camping or something, or you have a like mechanic job or something like that, you just have your flashlight there, and if you need it for like inspecting or whatever to help you see, it's right there. And for the size, it's really small, puts out a lot of light, and you get like 12 of these. They're super handy. They're like it's like a solid like metal construction too. These don't seem like flimsy plastic ones or anything. Seems like these will be really well made here. This clip is also a nice metal. So you get some that are like plastic. This is all metal here basically. So it seems like it's going to be super durable. I'm not sure if these are water resistant or not. They look like they would be. Let me take off the end here and see. Okay, so it does have a little rubber washer there. So that would assume that this is actually probably waterproof. Probably would work. I would venture to guess it would work underwater. But yeah, sweet little idea for like gifts or whatever. Flashlights are always handy, camping or whatever you're doing, but really neat and super bright. I'm really impressed with these. All right, my friends, thanks for watching this video. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.